Bitcoin has had its first correction in recent weeks, but will we continue higher from here? And these altcoins could be the next ones for massive pumps. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz Alpha wants to congratulate you all on a very profitable month of November. Bitcoin rallied past $35,000, is now hovering around 44. On November 4th, we published an Alpha report and mentioned the Bitcoin targets. As we had a target in mind, we planned our November strategy meticulously, and we all achieved our targets. We had overall 61% profit in Bitcoin, 2x profit on 6 of our portfolio coins, 3x profit on our gem calls, 3 to 5x profits on 4 IDOs, and $1,800 profit on buy and sell calls. Join Altcoin Buzz Alpha for only $15 a month and get an 8% discount on yearly subscriptions. Check out the description for more details. Bitcoin starts a key week for macro markets with a bump as the weekly close gives way to a sharp 7% Bitcoin price correction. The largest cryptocurrency broke down towards $40,000 in a fresh bout of volatility, reaching its lowest level in a week. Arguably long overdue, Bitcoin's return to test support nonetheless caught bullish latecomers by surprise, liquidating almost $100 million in longs. The snap move provides a rude awakening for Bitcoin investors at the start of the week, which already holds a multitude of potential volatility triggers. These come in the form of United States macro data that will immediately precede the Federal Reserve's next decision on interest rate policy. Bitcoin volatility returned immediately after a flat weekend, as soon as the weekly close was done. However, this time, bulls suffered as Bitcoin fell more than 7% in hours to bottom at 40,300. This included a 5% drop in a matter of minutes. The sudden downturn, which punctured an otherwise up-only trading environment, was not the expected outcome for leveraged long traders. Data from CoinGlass shows the crypto long liquidations for the day stood at over $300 million. Michael Vaneck likewise called for calm, especially among frustrated altcoin traders, saying markets do have corrections and with altcoins, they'll be deep as markets are liquid. Don't stress out, Bitcoin momentum is slowly getting towards the end, through which Ethereum is easily going to overtake next quarter. The Consumer Price Index and the Producer Price Index releases for November will be hit on December 12th and 13th, with the Fed deciding on interest rate changes coming on the 13th as well. Also make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel to see how he's playing this Bitcoin retrace. The prevailing bullish sentiment in the crypto market is substantially impacting nearly all digital assets. Lesser-known cryptocurrencies like OKT, the native token for the Layer 1 blockchain network OKT, surged by 80% over the past 24 hours. The remarkable surge in OKT's price can be attributed to the heightened interest from an inaugural inscription minting event hosted by the OKT chain. Inscriptions on Layer 1 blockchain networks like OKT chain operate by storing metadata within the call data of the blockchain transaction. These inscriptions are similar to Bitcoin ordinals, as they essentially create non-fungible tokens based on smart contracts. On-chain data shows that transactions on the OKT chain soared by more than 18,000% during the past week to a high of 7.2 million on December 8th. OKT chain is an Ethereum virtual machine and inter-blockchain communication Layer 1 network built on Cosmos and backed by crypto exchange OKX. Meanwhile, inscriptions are also driving transactions on several EVM-compatible blockchains, including Ton, Near Protocol, and Polygon to record highs. For context, inscriptions accounted for over 50% of total transactions on Polygon, Avalanche, and BNB chain last week. Venture capital firm Dragonfly showed that gas fees for inscription transactions peaked at more than $800,000 2 weeks ago. However, the transactions have steadily attracted fees of more than $500,000. The largest NFT migration in history took place today, December 11th, as 200 million NFTs made the transition from Ethereum to the Enjin blockchain. Since 2017, Enjin has been the world's first end-to-end Web3 game development platform and ecosystem centered around the Enjin blockchain and supported by a seamless app layer consisting of a wallet, marketplace, API, and advanced developer tools. Enjin has executed the largest NFT migration away from Ethereum to date, transferring an astonishing 200 million NFTs to the Enjin blockchain. This shift includes assets from thousands of creators, notably including tech giant Microsoft, highlighting the tech industry's growing demand for blockchain efficiency and scalability. Effective immediately, NFT holders can seamlessly claim their assets on the Enjin blockchain using the Enjin wallet with a simple claim click. Post-migration benefits include Enjin's network-wide fuel tanks, providing free transactions across the ecosystem for the next 3 months. Additionally, enforced on-chain royalties ensure fair compensation for creators, and a powerful API and development platform will simplify token integration into mainstream games. Enjin's decision to launch a blockchain dedicated to NFTs after 6 years of building on Ethereum marks a significant milestone in the quest for scalability and affordability in Web3 gaming. Looking ahead, Enjin aims to empower games and applications to launch their own Layer 1 chains, which will be fully interoperable with the broader Enjin blockchain ecosystem. Enjin's infrastructure is specifically designed to enable games to scale efficiently, catering to mass marketing demands and bypassing the limitations of legacy blockchain infrastructure. Crypto analyst Credible has again put forward his analysis of Ethereum. Credible indicates a potential ETH rally above $2,600 and has predicted that it can happen overnight. The analyst predicts Bitcoin could go beyond 50K by next week, and Ethereum will follow the same. On December 8th, Ethereum's open interest surged above $8 billion, signifying an optimistic market reach. However, according to one crypto analyst, Ethereum faces possible selling pressure, citing how it surpassed the $2,300 mark. Whales have been actively taking profit, and this could trigger a massive sell pressure on the world's second largest crypto. According to crypto analyst Eli Martinez, whales immediately took profit after Ethereum hit $2,300. The impact of significant holders selling could potentially drive down the price of ETH in the coming weeks. In a bearish scenario, the cryptocurrency might retest the 1550 support level, and sustained selling pressure could push ETH as low as 1460 within the next 2 months. Despite these concerns, the overall market sentiment remains cautiously optimistic, leaving room for potential further growth in the cryptocurrency price. Immutable X's token surged on Friday after Vaneck said the release of new blockchain-based video games next year could propel the price much higher. Vaneck said IMX is most likely to become a top 25 coin by market cap with the release of Illuvium, Guilds of Guardians, and other high-budget games in 2024, and a well-designed token that aligns interests better than most. IMX is an ERC20 utility token that powers the Immutable ecosystem. Built using Unreal Engine 5 and Immutable X's blockchain, Illuvium, which has multiple games in development but none of which are fully live, aims to release titles capable of competing with top non-blockchain games. With Illuvium's ILV token processing a market cap above $620 million and more than 380,000 followers on X, the gaming project has garnered enough interest to be viewed by many as a candidate with the potential to drive mainstream adoption of Web3 gaming. Immutable has multiple AAA games building on their platform that implement token models that cannot be simply farmed and are truly fun games to play. These titles, which have been building for years and receive $100 million in funding, are being released in 2024. They could attract players at the scale of traditional AAA games like Starfield, which was released earlier this year and reached 10 million players within the first 2 weeks. Additionally, Immutable has been working to resolve some of the technical pain points that have inhibited the success of Web3 gaming so far, such as wallet management. Immutable's Passport allows users to log into games and manage their blockchain-based game items through a familiar single sign-on process while abstracting away blockchain interaction. The increased simplicity that Immutable provides gamers, combined with the large distribution partners such as Epic Games Store and GameStop, could finally allow blockchain-based games to become a mainstream hit. Crypto analyst Ali Charles believes that Polygon could break out towards $1.82, a 100% surge from where it currently is standing, saying, "Keep your eyes out for Polygon. A daily or weekly candlestick close above 96 cents could be the spark for a bullish Matic breakout. If this key level is breached, we might witness Matic surging towards $1.82. On top of that, Layer X Capital and 3 other whales jointly deposited $11.33 million of Matic tokens to crypto exchanges Binance and Coinbase in the last 10 hours. And Polygon co-founder Sandeep wrote, made an announcement for today. Flipkart, the largest e-commerce and one of the largest payment companies in India, is launching an ecosystem chain with Polygon CDK. This is a game changer for Web3 ecosystems in India. It not only has the potential to attract top fintech entrepreneurs in India to build Web3, but it also might encourage many other top enterprise and consumer brands to build their app chain.